Hi, Antelope Beads. Guess what? We're in HD. We have no internet issues. Look at that. I'm all crystal clear. I'm so excited right now. Okay, so super great things coming up. I want to shout out first, a big shout out to Wendy Walters. She was our 1,000th member. Welcome, congratulations. Thanks to everybody who has joined our group. I know things have been kind of crazy with the videos lately, but we're really trying to make this more streamlined and not fuzzy and no computer issues. So hopefully this video will go out perfect. I am going to redo the silicone video rather quickly. I won't go into depth about it, but I do want to retouch on that since the last video didn't work, and I had a lot of questions this past weekend about how it's properly working, because how I showed you guys how to use the 2mm was actually different than what they actually recommend doing. And the video that they sent me, which is what I shared to you guys from the distributor, is actually a lot better to use. So I'm gonna go over that, as well as an add-on to the chain option with the silicone grommets. So I will jump into all of that in detail. But I wanted to go over a few things first. One, I just want to take a time to say thanks to everybody that came out to the Tampa show. I really enjoy meeting all of you. I know sometimes the shows can be crazy, but I really appreciate when everyone comes up and they're excited to meet me. I'm very excited to meet you guys, and I want you guys to constantly feedback or email me if you have questions or concerns. That's what I'm here for. I want to help you guys. Some show updates. Kelly will be in Atlanta, Georgia, August 11th and 12th. And I will personally be in Jacksonville the 17th and the 18th. It's a Friday and Saturday show in Jacksonville. And I will post all the details for those vendors, or for the venues, and the details for those events this week sometime. So big things that have happening this week at Antelope Beads. We have Christmas in July. And we also have a free gift with purchase that is really, really cool. When Kelly and I were in Tucson, Arizona in January, we found a leather maker from Italy, and we purchased a few handbags, which you can see up here. They're really, really cute. They're genuine, real cowhide leather, and they are made from Italy. So they're a really cool little tote. When you spend $700 on an order this coming weekend, or this week, you get a free bag with your purchase. So it comes in red. I also have it in some other colors. It comes in olive, black, tan, and navy. So these are the really cute bags. They're really deep. Kelly uses the tan one for her work bag. They're really well made. They're super soft. They are real cowhide. So congratulations to all those who will get the bags. There are select items. There's only a few of them, so we will be able to honor this as long as we have supplies. But that's the free gift with purchase for Christmas in July, hence the $700 purchase gets you the free leather bag. So I want to jump into the silicone clasps, because it seems like those lately have just been crazy, crazy popular. We were sold out within the first hour of them launching last Tuesday. I got a reorder on Friday, and we are almost out of stock again. So I will be placing another order by the end of this week, so the people that haven't had a chance to get them will have the opportunity. All right, so I want to go over that there's two options in the clasp. We have a 2mm, which doesn't necessarily say 2mm, it has a 2 on it. That will hold two 1mm pieces or two 1.25. It will not fit a 1.5 leather into the grommet. It will actually cut into the leather. So if you're using 1.5, you can use the 4mm. You'll have a little bit more play than the 2mm piece will go. It's a little thicker. So just going forward, that's how you'll size it. If anyone has any questions or concerns about the sizing and what they're getting, hi Sonia, please email me. My direct email at Antelope Beads is Elise, E-L-Y-S-E, at antelopebeads.com. I didn't really introduce myself when I first started the video. I just got super excited. So for those that are new to watching, my name's Elise. I am one of the designers at Antelope Beads, and you get to see my face every Wednesday. All right, so the way that you get the leather into this clasps, that is the only way that would work. I originally had showed you that you put the leather through one side and then you kind of squish it in and then you pull it. It doesn't work that way. What you want to do is take flat pliers and you want to flatten out the ends on both sides of your bracelets. So whatever you're doing, you want to account for at least 2 inches of extra on the ends of your bracelets, because some of you guys replace the macrame knots. So you might have a knot and then like something finishing like a bead and then another knot, and you want to make sure you have enough